Selby just pipping John Higgins to the post, and of course that's our next tournament China Championship. Starts a week tomorrow here on Eurosport, bringing you coverage throughout the week. And it's the last title, Neil, that
prolific at winning in the last 5 years or so. World number 1 at that point by a mile, and now he's down to world number 6. Sean Murphy there, and quite how he's stuck that red. Yeah, that is amazing when you think that he would have been multiple entered into it in previous years. This man is, he's the defending champion every year. At the Ricoh in Coventry in the UK.
កាសតាមពីក្រោយចាំមើលរូនីអាចគ្រប់គ្រងបានឬក៏អត់
Won it in dramatic fashion last season, of course, in the final frame decider against Kyren Wilson. Rode his luck a bit.
បាទទម្លាក់មួយ
He
ស្អាត
fluke
ណាស់
in
កន្លែ
an
ងនេះ
ultimate frame from memory proved to be very significant.
Yes, of course, the year before it was the man who's playing today would
ពី
be
បន្ទុក
Sean Murphy in that
ពងតែ
final.
ធ្វើដំណើរទៅ
But that was a very important fourth frame because things were getting quite serious, 3-0 down, and for all the world of
Giờ sự việc toទៀត
it's already proven to be a very
សម្លឹងមើលលោកកណ្ដាលពីរូនីបាទរៀងប្រអងមួយសិនបាទចាក់សវិសលោកកណ្ដាលយកឡងកូនខ្មែរល្អណាស់
It was easily the most fluent snooker that O'Sullivan
មួយអត់បខំទេរូ
in
នី
his final so far. That break of 61 to get himself a foothold in this
ណា
final.
កាសតាមពីក្រោយគឺនៅមានបាទចាក់ឆ្លាស់កូនពណ៌សមណាស់វិញ 21
He was arguably outplayed in the first session yesterday. Neil Robertson ended up winning it 5-4 despite his tip
រង
problems.
បំបែកកន្លែងនេះអត់
Managed
ជា
to win
បញ្ហា
3 of
ទេ
the last 4 frames of that session despite losing a big chunk out of his tip. Of course, in the end, O'Sullivan was able to turn it around.
បាទដូចជាអត់សូវស្អាតទេកន្លែង
3-1
នេះ
there. The easiest shot.
បាទផ្ទះគេងមួយសិន
If anyone knows how to do it,
មិនមកគេងជាប់បាំងខាងលើតែម្ដង
so we played 10 frames and we played the remaining 11
មកភីស
in the evening session, which is
គិតយ៉ាងណាយ៉ាងណី
the course of the Hare afternoon. Wow, what a shot! What a shot!
ផ្ទះគេង
This is
ដែរ
going to be a great final. It really is. It's
អត់
going to
ញាប់ទេបងប្អូន
be shaping up with a few talking points, turning points. What could have been 4-0. I
មួយ
mean,
បន្ទុក
O'Sullivan
បាន
could
ទៅ
have
លើ
won any one of the first 3 frames, which he lost it also.
បាទ
That's the other
មក
side of the
ភី
coin.
ស
There's an argument that if Murphy's going to win, he'd have been 3-1 or 4-0 down. It's probably lights out,
បាទល្អណាស់
but it isn't.
តកន្លែងនេះទី
Better than I've seen him for quite some time.
And he's such an asset to the game when he is playing like this. He's one of the most watchable players in the game of snooker because of the way he cues. Very easy on the eye with
បាទ
the way in which he
កាស
goes
បន្
about
ទុ
his
ក
business.
តាពីក្រោយរូនី
He's always been an attacking player.
គេបងប្អូន
That's when he's at his best, scoring heavily. Closing in on 500 career centuries now, Murphy.
បាទកន្លែងនេះអត់ងាយស្រួលទេ
94
បា
on
ទ
the roster, 5 of which have been made this week.
មកចាំមើលគាត់ធ្វើយ៉ាងណា
Sullivan back in his chair for now.
មកពីមកភីស
How well did he strike that one?
Fabulously well, and also even better, Philip.
Ah,
the
បន្ត
angle
ទៀ
he's
ត
got from blue to bunch. Yeah, this is just wonderful cueing.
ខេបងប្អូនបាទល្អមែនទែន
Well, he's unlucky. He deserves to be on something. I wonder if that very bottom red
ដល់
goes.
28បន្ទុកហើយ
But no, a little shake of the head suggests that's no good.
បាទកន្លែងនេះអីឡងបំបែកការប្រកួតបងប្អូន
Whether he likes it or not, now he's got to slip in the safety shot. It's going to have to be a good one.
បាទជិតបាទអាចទេដែលមកភីសបន្តនៅមុខបន្តទៀត
These are the little moments where you really have to give it extra because Sullivan's long game seems to be getting better. Somewhere in that little area would be good, I think.
តទៀតមិនឲ្យទុកសំញ៉ាំទេបាទរូនី
He's left the red.
ស្ដាំ
Set by the pink
មានមួយមាត់លោ
with the black and the red.
តែមិនដឹងធ្វើយ៉ាងណាបាទអត់ប៉ះទេបាទ
Try and do that again. Problem is,
កាសល់ free សម្រាប់
that red
មម
is
ភេ
a
ស
safer shot involving leaving that red.
បាទកន្លែងនេះសវិសមានតែយកទៅលើទេបាទបាទទម្លាក់សម្រាប់មមភេសបាទកន្លែងនេះបាទអត់បានទេបងប្អូន
Well.
បាទកាលល្អសម្រាប់រូនី
Golden chance.
ក្នុងការតាមពីក្រោយ
The red were tied up, but the other balls in the middle of the table were very gettable. I know that if he tied
រូនី
himself
អ
up, he could have played on the blue.
គ្រប់គ្រងឱកាសល្អឬយ៉ាងណា
Left O'Sullivan to red.
ក៏មមភេស
Tried to pick up there.
ទម្លាក់ពីរូនីងាយបាទទុកចាប់ផ្ដើមហើបមកវិញហើយទម្លាក់ល្អមែនតើបាទកូនឈូកមិនជាឧបសគ្គទេកូនឈូកបាទយ៉ាងណាបន្តទៀតបាទប្រសិនបើបានមួយទៀតគឺថាកក់ក្ដៅហើយ
Played that well. Got himself close to the red, which means he's got angles to do
ដល់ណាបងប្អូន
whatever
បាទ
he likes here.
ញិចកន្លែងនេះយកមកលើវិញ
He won't need the red by the black, but he will need an angle on the blue. Now, here, he hit this very hard.
បាទតោនស្វីសកន្លែងនេះដូចជា
Now, which red can he play on?
អាចចិត្តបានបងប្អូន
Well, if he's on the
មិន
right-hand
លេង
red,
សើច
it's
ទេ
That is shot. What a shot he played on the blue there. I'm not sure the red and the black, the red by the black red anyway. That was a fabulous shot in the end.
កាសស្អាតហើយ
Good thing. He was almost straight on the blue, but he found an angle.
បាទខោកមួយដូចជាស្ទះលោបាត់ហើយមិនយ៉ាងណាកន្លែងនេះពីចម្ងាយឬក៏អត់
Not over the line yet.
បាទលាងពីចម្ងាយតែម្ដងមកស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនបាទ
It's only a small break this, but I tell you, there's been some shots in it.
បាទត្រង់នេះល្អណាស់
Yeah, O'Sullivan has really upped his level in the last two
Ronnie
frames. He's
O'Sullivan.
punishing Sean Murphy for the short range miss on the pink when he had, just as he did in the previous one.
កាសកាន់តែកក់ក្ដៅក្នុងការនាំមុខ
It's that
Let's
shot
look
of blue
at
around
that.
the angle.
គាត់អាច
He played on that red, and there's only one place he could have got on it. Two reds close together, and that was very
បាន
finished.
ប៉ុន្មាន
That was terrific stuff.
A very effective break.
បាទល្អមែនទែនបាទរូនី
Telling contribution from Ronnie O'Sullivan to put him to win his second straight frame.
បាទបន្តទៀតបងប្អូន
Roars from the crowd, but Murphy needs a high value cut.
They loved him. It was absolutely the last thing he wanted, that red going in.
ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺថាអត់ទេបាទ
Hollering, they loved the shot. Murphy not amused.
Only the colours left. This has got to go in.
បាទរូនីអូសាលីវ៉ាន់
But he doesn't concede frames when it's his opponent's shot.
កាន់តែ
line.
កក់ក្ដៅក្នុងការតាម
Just wonder if
ក្រោយ
Murphy has missed the boat here a little.
លើ
3-0 up.
Sullivan
Sullivan hadn't
Monfils
settled. Murphy much the stronger, couple of 60 breaks, including that steal to the black in the second frame. And he's had clear chances in the two
ខោ
frames
កា
that
ស្
have
អាតបង
followed,
ប្អូន
but he's lost both of them.
មិនជាបញ្ហាទេបាទល្អមែនទែន
Still very early in this final target this evening.
ដាច់ហើយអត់ទៅទុកអីទៀតទេ
But Murphy might have had a commanding advantage after 5 frames. Instead, it's going to be
បាទឈូក
just one between them. Oh,
បាទកូនចុងក្រោយរឿងណា
the crowd enjoyed that. Little cannon from O'Sullivan.
Pi
Battle
to
will
ng
have
bay
truly
frame.
joined now, just a frame between them. Murphy
chừng
leads 3-2,
pin.
preparing to break off.
Ba
And
đấy,
in
không
frame 6, he was 3-0 up.
ទស្ស
Sullivan
នា
was
គឺ
rocking a
ថា
little.
គិតគ្នាមែនទែនបន្ទុកនេះ
Murphy has had chances in the 2 frames that have followed. But O'Sullivan has won both of them, so it's just a 3-2 deficit now for the defending.
មក
He missed it. The red that
បាទ
was
ជំ
in
មើ
the
ល
way is the one that O'Sullivan plotted, so it opened the game up.
ការ៉ូនីឬក៏ Monfils ជា
Wasn't
អ្នក
scare.
ទទួលបានក្នុង frame នេះ
Inspired stuff. The match is starting to really take shape, isn't it? Like you say, there is a long way to go, but if the rest of it's like what we're seeing now, it's going to be an absolute gem of a final.
គេងដាច់មួយទៀត
It is, and we're just halfway through this first
Rooney.
section. Another possible 11 this
បាទ
evening.
Monfils ទម្លាក់មួយកន្លែងនេះឆ្ងាយល្អណាស់អត់ជាបញ្ហា
Remember, he's only won 3 of his 14 meetings with O'Sullivan. He's taken a few drubbings down the years. But 2 of those 3 victories were in finals, beating the champion of champions 2 years ago.
បាទកាសសុទ្ធលោក៏
An
ប៉ុន្
area
តែ
of O'Sullivan's
អត់
game
ទេ
that
បងប្អូន
hasn't been on song as often as he would have liked this week.
Khọ
is
មួយបាត់ហើយ
long potting.
A little hit or miss, isn't he? You're right, absolutely right.
បាទនេះ
Touch and all the other stuff is always there.
ចេញមួយឆ្វាត
But emotions there.
មិនងាយស្រួលទេបាទកូនពីចម្ងាយអញ្ចឹង
Queuing through those.
Monfils
Part
វិញ
of
ម្ដ
the
ង
game. It's not something
បាទ
Murphy
ទ
struggled
ម្លា
with
ក់
that
ស្អាត
much, to be honest.
ណាស់តែសវិសខ្មាំងដូចជា
This must be tight. I think he
បាទដូចជា
possibly
Bạch
with a
đây.
trace of left-hand side, he might be able to straighten the potting angle.
បាទមិនហ៊ានបន្ថយទេពី Monfils
He doesn't seem to think so. He's right behind him with me.
ទុកឲ្យ
Well, he's a millimetre or two from being on the black there. That'll hurt him.
បាទ
And those are the margins.
កេងមួយសិន
Had
បាទ
he been on the black,
អត់ប្រដេសប្រដាស់
well,
ទេ
he's gone on to make a frame-winning break there.
Rooney អូ Sullivan ល្អណាស់បាទ
There's great shots being played, but there are 1 or 2 errors creeping in from both players as well. So
បាទ Monfils
they played perfect.
កាសជាលើកទី
Dramatic snooker we're seeing.
2បាទលើកទី 2 នេះគឺថាភ្លាត់បាត់ហើយបងប្អូន
Murphy is missing 1 or 2 now that he hasn't been throughout the week,
Ban
indeed
từ Rooney
throughout
bắt
the
đầu.
season. Second straight final, remember, here in China.
ល្អណាស់
I think that Q was going over the
មាន
top of
ភ្
the
លាត់
green
មាន
there
អី
and
ខ្លះចឹងបងប្អូន
gamble.
បាទល្អ
Adds to
កន្លែងនេះ Rooney បាទ
Well, that's a lovely little nudge. She'll take that. Perfectly on blue. Probably deserved it because the prop was a good one.
បាទញែកកូនស្អាត
Looks
បាទគណៈដែលកូនក្រហមអត់ពិបាកទេបាទងាយងាយ បាទបន្ទុកចាប់ដើមញាស់ទៅមុខហើយបាទបន្តទៀតបាទ
He's opened everything up now. Certainly around the pink spot, certainly the black spot. Chance to do quite a lot of damage here.
Rooney O'Sullivan បាទ
So
14 បន្ទុក
there's an awful lot to offer the game.
បាទហើយយ៉ាបងប្អូនល្អមែនតើ
Haven't seen him since the World Championship. You do see him really fails to excite with his style of play. Creativity, break building, it's all still there.
តទៀតបងប្អូន
5 titles in each of the last 2 seasons is testament to that. It's only at the World Championship where faltered.
បាទ
Seismic upset in losing to James Cahill in the first
26
round in
ឯ
the spring. Perhaps O'Sullivan feels the pressure there in a way that he doesn't
លាក់ចាក់
in
មួយ
other
មិន
big
ច្បាស់
events.
ណាស់កន្លែងនេះបងប្អូន
Mindful of the fact he's still 2 behind Stephen Hendry's all-time record of 7 Crucible titles, but
លាក់មួយគុណភាពតែម្ដង
arguably played better than ever in the last 2 seasons in most of the events he's contested.
បាទពុះកន្លែងនេះស្អាតអេមណាស់បងប្អូន
Certainly warming up now after a slightly average start.
ចេញមួយកន្លែងនេះអូខេល្អតែម្ដងកាសកាន់តែកក់ក្ដៅពីរូនេះបាទងាយអត់ពិបាកទេ
Where he played
Tục
this
có
well,
chừng ai đây?
looked at the black immediately and thought maybe it was too difficult to get on that, so he played a few shots where he really
រេ
cleared
វែង
decks,
វែងស្ដាំមើលប្លង់
pockets. When he first came to the table, there were lots of reds in the way.
បាទពីរូនី
Now the black being on,
បើយកស៊ុបវីសកន្លែងនេះបងប្អូនបាទស៊ុបវីសដល់គូតល្អណាស់
watch the green here as he leans over the table.
បាទចង់ទៀតបាទ
Ooh,
ពីរូនីអូ
that was a
sorry
huge kick. Red went straight on rather than the prodding angle.
A lot of time to get it as well. O'Sullivan closing in on the frame, 53 in front, but still 75 there for Murphy.
Looked like he was cueing badly to me. I think he got a bad contact. So it's nothing to do with the cueing.
ហើយយ៉ាងណាការពួតគឺ
Just feel as
នៅ
though
វែង
Murphy's
ឆ្ងាយទេ
gone
បង
off the
ប្អូន
boil a bit though since the first 3 frames.
មិនទាន់អាចចប់
Absolutely.
From the
Moved out of
Monday.
his chair very quickly there.
មួយសិន
Let O'Sullivan off the hook a couple of times already in this final.
មើលការលេងដល់ល្អរបស់ពីរូនី
Doesn't look likely to be costly now.
បាទ
So
រូនី
this
ក៏
cue kick.
ល្អយ៉ាងនេះ
Yeah, and it was quite a severe one. It never went anywhere near the pocket. But like you say, put it down to it's one of those things. The framers won, it's made no
ត
difference.
ទៅទៀតបងប្អូនបាទ
Just put it behind us and move on. And,
ទុកដាច់ឆ្ងាយហើយតែកូនក្រហមគឺអត់ពិ
final
បាក
really is going nicely. I'm enjoying it.
នៅតែងាយស្រួលក្នុងការ
So much more to look forward to. Sean Murphy, 3-0 lead.
សុទ្ធបញ្ចូលលោ
Gobbled up here.
បាទព្រោះថានៅចិត្តគ្នា
Yeah,
អត់ណា
and it's not because O'Sullivan has able Murphy's had chances.
បាទមិន
All 6
ត
frames,
ក
pretty
ន្លែង
good
នេះ
ones.
បងប្អូន
He's won 3 of them. May feel as though he should have won at least 4, maybe 5. He pinched one himself, of course, on the black.
ស្អាតតែម្ដង
O'Sullivan had missed. There are always going to be frames like that in a final of this length. Frames you might have won that you
បាទអ
lost
ញ្ចឹង
and
គឺ
vice
ថា
versa.
ហី
Can't shake the feeling that
កាសកាន់តែ
May is the trick here.
ល្អសម្រាប់រូនី
Sullivan is certainly playing better
ថា
now.
អាចតាមពី
Red doesn't
ហ្វ្រេម
matter.
ចូលគ្នាមកវិញ
So, from 3-0 down, Ronnie
Oh,
O'Sullivan
okay.
has roared back here in Shanghai. We're
បា
dead
ទ
level
3 ទល់នឹង
once
3
again.
Sullivan
Right back in the
and
mix now,
Monfils
all from 3-0 down. Sean Murphy has had chances to looking
ចូល
at a
ដល់
healthy
frame
lead right
ទី
now, and he's got to
7
forget
បង
about
ប្អូន
those chances and concentrate on what's ahead
Oh, no.
because there's still 4 frames to come in this session.
I think it was the
ងឲ្យស្អាត
Forget about
បាទបន្តទៀតបងប្អូន
playing their shirts out or something. He went up to O'Sullivan into that frame and
បាទ Monfils
suggested there was something not right, like a button was undone or the
យ៉ាង
shirt
ណាយ៉ាងណី Monfils
was just wrong. It's a bubble of good concentration. He looks smart enough. I think the referee should concentrate, take a
Ah,
look at the
សុទ្ធលោតែម្ដង
crowded check, things like that.
អន់ណាស់កន្លែងនេះ
Great pot. Got a little lucky, but who's to say he didn't
ប្រ
deserve
ហែល
that?
ឆ្វាចដែរបងប្អូន
Well, he needs to re-establish the form he was in at the start of this fight, the form he's been in throughout the week. Just one or two careless errors from Murphy have crept in the last few frames.
ទលាក់បានស្រួល
His
ស្រួល
lead has evaporated, so he needs to get back on track quickly.
Fairness. I do think the referees, there is a
ចេញ
directive
មួយលុយលុយ
goes around and instructs them to do what he did and tell a player to put his shirt in or something, but I just think it's totally wrong. Anyway,
ហើយ
Murphy's
យកស្វី
queuing
កន្
well
លែង
and
នេះ
has to remember how well he played to get here and in the early
បាទ
frames.
ជ្រុលបាត់ហើយបងប្អូន
There's no reason why at 3-3
បាទ មើល
go
ឃើញ
on
ទេ
to pitch level this first
បញ្ហាទេ
10 frame session.
បាទគុណភាពដែរពី
Put it on
Monfils
the back foot, but just got to look at it and say, well, good job on one of those early frames.
បាទអត់លាក់ទេបាទ Monfils បាទចាក់ស្វីល្អល្អតែម្ដង
It's not quite so well played. I don't think he's on the red still.
បាទកាស20ពិន្ទុចាំមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាទៀតបន្ត
I tell you what, the good thing about that
We
was he
can
didn't
all
have to
like
piss
it.
into the blue ball on the way through. It's good shot this, so he may just go into the pink
Nè
at
bà.
pace and get the reds open.
អេមតែម្ដង
Back on that you will knock a red in, it's possible.
បាទកាសបំបែក
In this case, the cue ball went in.
បាទ
The reds
សោក
didn't
ស្
really
ដាយ
split.
មែនតើ
Still
ធ្លាក់
had
លោ
no
បាត់
fight
ហើយ
for that to happen.
បាទសំណាងមិននៅខាង Monfils ទេ បាទរូនី បាទទលាក់យកកូនខ្មៅប៊ីអត់ចូលលោ
Well, he nearly missed the pot, that's the reason.
បាទយ៉ាងណាកូនឈូក
He's gone astray, so
កូនឈូកមានលោបងប្អូន
he's got here as a safety shot.
ហើយបាទរកទីសុកសានសិនបាទគេងបានល្អបាទរូនីបាទស្មើគ្នាល្អណាស់បងប្អូន
I think Murphy's grappling at the moment with the knowledge that although it's 3-all, he really should be ahead.
ស្អាតតែម្ដង
I mean, this was hardly a gimme, but we know how he missed that
បាទ
by a long way.
កាសកន្លែងនេះ
Worse for him, it's left Sullivan an easy starter.
គឺជាឱកាសល្អសម្រាប់រូនីបាទក្នុងការនាំមុខទៅលើ Monfils វិញម្ដង បាទបន្តទៀតបងប្អូនឡើយនេះបាទសំលៀងអាវុធហើយឆ្វាច់ឆ្វាច់
Well, there was some doubt
បាទស្អាតណាស់ល្មមលោតែម្ដង
to the near jaw, but it dropped.
បាទបន្ទុក10តាមក្រោយបាទចាក់មួយកន្លែងនេះយកស្វីមកក្រោយវិញ បាទចេញឆ្វាចល្អណាស់បងប្អូនបាទឆ្វេងស្ដាំពីរូនីបាទបន្តទៀតបងប្អូន
Well, I wonder if the red is pushed close-ish to the left corner is actually available.
បាទយ៉ាងណាយ៉ាងណី
Red to the right is very smooth contact,
ai
very
để
good shot. And to keep him perfectly on
នៅ
the
តែ
move.
អាចគ្រប់គ្រងបាន
Ronnie O'Sullivan isn't especially associated with comebacks because
Ronnie O'Sullivan
he's won by leading. Of course, he did produce an extraordinary comeback against Kyron Wilson from 5-1 down.
បាទ
Yeah,
ការបន្ទុកនាំមុខវិញហើយបងប្អូ
No,
ន
he really should have won that match. He had lots of chances to put O'Sullivan away.
ខោកមួយកន្លែង
3-0
នេះ
down today
អ
in
ត់
the
ជាបញ្ហា
final against a very much informed Shaw Murphy. O'Sullivan had to dig deep once again.
បាទចេញទៅវិញល្អណាស់បាទ
Produce some of his snooker. We know that can be devastating.
Yes, it's a slight crisis, I think, now, this
បាទ
match. Although I know that
45ពិន្ទុ
he wants to win this frame, which he hasn't yet, by the way. But if he was to be only 4-3, but it's a surge of 4 frames potentially in a row here.
បាទ
Maybe wonder where
ចាក់
he gets
ងាយ
that
ងាយ
coming from. Well, he's just got to finish off the job, though. Still enough points left. Should he miss for Murphy,
53ពិន្ទុហើយ
he needs 2 of these remaining 3 reds.
បាទរូនីបើគាត់ឡើងហើយគឺមិនងាយទេបាទក្នុងការធ្លាក់វិញបាទទម្លាក់ល្អណាស់បាទ
This third half century of the final.
It's not been a final with huge breaks as we may have expected. We haven't seen a century yet, have we? And nice break, 68 from Murphy.
វិសយកបន្តទៀត
Been very entertaining all the same.
Barring snookers, just to make sure.
បាទទម្លាក់បានងាយងាយ
Frame winning run for Ronnie O'Sullivan.
ស្អាតស្អាតបង
Going
ប្
for
អូ
his
ន
15th consecutive win here in Shanghai's third consecutive title.
បាទ កន្លែងនេះ
Yeah, I think the point I was making is with 3 more frames
បាទ
to play,
ទាញដល់លើតែម្ដង
Murphy is going to have to take some of those. He's going to have to win at least
ចាណា
one
បងប្អូនបាទ
from his point of view. He could obviously going into tonight, but everything is with O'Sullivan right now. His
ការយកស្វីស
concentration's there, his touch is back.
ល្អល្អពីរូនីអូ
His
សាលីវ៉ាន់
game, and these are the moments when you've got to dig in and win frames. Or else this man will just devour the
បា
table.
ទ
Enough points for
បាទ
a
លោក
century here
ដាល់
for
អត់
O'Sullivan.
ឡាក់ទេ
Made 6 of them this week. 2 against
Mang
Robertson.
đục,
Finished with a
mang đục cái mà
1-3-4
đong.
to beat the Australian.
បា
But
ទ
he's really
កូន
begun to
ខៀវ
play
អត់
now.
បាន
And
សម្
that's
រាប់
4 frames on the bounce from the
ណាមិន
defending
ជាបញ្ហាទេ
Shanghai
បាទ
Masters
រូ
champion.
នីកំពុងតែ
Food
នាំ
for thought
វិញតែ
for
ម្ដង
Shaw Murphy, who